tablespoons yogurt, a half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Add marinated chicken. Cook both sides until done. One tablespoon cooking oil. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Cook on low heat for 1 minute. 1 pack cream. Cook on low flame until it boils. 1½ cup milk. Bring it to boil. One teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, a half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1/4 cup cheddar cheese. Cook on low flame until cheese melts. Grams pasta boiled. Cook on low flame.